In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the backhoe from LEGO Creator Set 31041 construction vehicles. And here's a look at the pieces that you'll need to build the backhoe. The construction vehicle set's a total of 64 pieces, and this build uses pretty much all of them. Not all of the pieces are common, so you may need to do some substituting to build this backhoe. But now that you have your pieces together, let's start building. And now you know how to build a LEGO backhoe. I hope you found this video educational and entertaining. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.